Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can see my screen and also hear my voice clearly. So today I want us to use this indicator to analyze our charts. Basically, this indicator is very useful, especially when you're looking for stop losses and also where to take profits from. I use it mostly on 4 hours daily and in some very few occasions on the weekly chart. So as it is now, we'll look at it on the 4-hour chart. So if you look at the way I've drawn this line, this is like a high. The price continued down. It came back as a lower high. Then it came back and then price closed above. So after this close, you are supposed to look for buy positions. Expect that buy to push price at least 2 times where the stop loss is. So if you bought it there and the stop loss is here, the take profit should be 2 times where the distance of the stop loss. So we'll have our stop loss, our entry, and then the take profit is somewhere like two times where the stop loss was previously, which means we could have taken a buy at this price. And then we also have another one. This is a higher high, a lower high. There is a break above, and then we have this one here. So this is another good place to buy from. This was a good place. This candle here, the one which opened after the one which closed above this red line, this was a good buy place. The stop loss, as I've said, is 2 times the stop loss. I mean, the take profit is 2 times the stop loss, which means we could have taken profits around somewhere here. So as it is now, this chart is very much bullish. We want to see maybe some pullback to the upper side, and in case the price breaks above this swing high, then this will mean we are now continuing to the upper side. The other symbol which I'd like us to look at, I want us to look at Euro USD here. So Euro USD so far, we are not seeing anything significant as such, except for this, the one we had in the recent past. We had a lower low, a higher low. Then there is this candle which closed above, which means you could have taken a sell immediately after the one which closed above this red candle. So this was your entry. The price continued down. So the take profit, as I said, is still around the swing high, which is somewhere here. And then the take profit is 2 times the distance of the stop loss. So if you had the stop loss as 20 pips away from the point of entry, the take profit should be at least 40 pips from the point of entry. We have a swing high there, and then you have a swing low here. If the price should break below 1.19834, then that will mean we are continuing to the lower side. And if the price breaks above 1.21830, then that will mean you are continuing to the upper side. The other symbol is USD this chart, I think we did take some buy positions sometimes in the past, in the recent past. We had a trend line like this, and then we took a buy on the red candle. So it looks like it closed red, but this was still upwards. So we took a buy here. This green candle, the one which entered, actually found us inside a buy. So as we are speaking now, this chart is still upwards. And what I want to happen now is I want to see price break below this trend line. So this is the only case where we have lows getting higher, lower low, a higher low. If the price should descend down and break below this low, then this will give us the correct place to look for a sell from. So after that breakout, we want to see some pullback before the price continues down up to this point here. So the other symbol which I want us to look at is gold. Remember, I've just looked at gold. We'll look at it afresh. So gold is also a sell. I'm saying it's a sell because we had a lower low, we have a higher low. If you connect these two, this becomes like a swing low, a swing high, then there is a close below the red line. So that means we are continuing to the lower side. Actually, if you enter here and your stop loss is somewhere here, the take profit should be 2 times this distance, which means the take profit should be somewhere around this point. So 2 times the distance to the stop loss. The other chart which I want us to look at is Brent oil. So Brent oil, so far we do have this as the swing low, a low, low, then there's a higher low. If the like in the future, if in the near future, if the price should break below this trend line, then that will give us a good breakout, which means we'll be looking for a sell position at least up to this point, up to around 65.618. So basically that has not matured already, but if that happens, that is, the price comes down and breaks below this red trend line, then we want to see some pullback before the price can extend itself to the lower side. The other symbol which I don't want to say much about is SP500. So SP500, if you're trading based on this indicator, you actually had the chance to look for a buy because the price went below a trend line. We had a lower low, a higher low, then there is this candle, this red candle, which actually closed below here. So this was a good sign for continuation. The next red candle which opened, this one, was a good sell opportunity. You could have taken a sell there, and as we're speaking, you can still see that the price is still somehow to the lower side. So keep looking for sell positions on this chart temporarily, and in case of a break above 42, 44.1, then that will mean we are now continuing to the upper side. So if you're on this chart right now, temporarily we are sellers, so expect price to continue to the lower side. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the center. So thank you. See you.